Next up now is to start laying out on the workpiece here now all the dimensions here for the mounting holes, the rotary table center holes, and all the different dimensions here now, and get all that drilled now and get that taken care of. The first thing I'm going to do is make a reference mark here, because all this is going to be cut away anyhow. So everything will come off this corner here. Okay, now with that there reference mark right here, you'll always see now, whenever I do any of my layout now, this here corner is going to be against the surface plate, either this way or this way, and it will always be one side of this against the surface plate, either this side or that side, to do all the laying out, because everything comes off those two sides right there. Okay, the first one here will be 1.614 coming off the outside here, up this way here, so the workpiece will be turned this way here, and I'll scratch in a mark here across the top like that. And that will be the center of the two mounting holes. Workpiece back to this direction here again. I come up now 0.787 to the first mounting hole. So I turn it back up this way now. And this will be the center of the first mounting hole. And then the second one will be 610 thousandths from that line there up now. And that would be the second one here. Okay, that's my two mounting hole center lines. Now the center line, or the center hole for the shaft itself, is up 1 inch 84 thousandths. So I have that set. I'll put that line in. That center line. And it comes in from the left 593 thousandths. So again, I turn it this direction here, coming from the left. And that would be the center right there. So you're laying out just for reference. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the edge finder, and I'm going to use the dial indicators on the actual table itself on the mill whenever I go to do the actual drilling. But this just gives me a layout here to look at as reference to make sure that I'm in the right area. I'm keeping the same orientation as the drawing. Tighten it down. Okay, now I'll do the edge finding and then get everything lined up for drilling. Okay, it has a center for the guide bar to go through. That was that there hole right there for the center of the guide bar. The next one now will be to come down this direction to 54 thousandths and go over to the right 57 thousandths. So I'm going to come down the table this direction now at 54 thousandths. So that will be right to there, 54 thousandths in front, and then 57 thousandths on the x-axis going in that direction. 57 thousandths right there, and that should take me for the next. This will be the center of the rotary table. Second rotary table center mark will be 770 thousandths off of that last one over towards the right, and it will advance up from here now. It will advance up a distance of 297 thousandths. Okay, so let's do the y-axis first. It will advance up 297 thousandths. 297 thousandths on the y-axis, and on the x-axis, we come over 770 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 770 thousandths. And that will be the next mark now. Now I'll make that mark there. Okay, so that's all the rotary table center marks now. All three of them. Well, these two here, that one and that one is, and the other first one was for the center of the guide bar itself. So now I'm going to put this on the rotary. Now I'm going to do the drilling now for the mounting holes next. Now I'm drilling the two mounting holes right here. First one. Okay, the clearance hole for a 632 screw. So that's what I'm drilling now, the clearance hole for a 632. Okay, now I'm going to counterbore the head down 300 thousandths of an inch in depth. I'll use a 1/4 inch end mill. That'll be my counterbore. And I'll set that for 300 thousandths of an inch in depth. Which looks like that's going to have to be a little bit bigger on the counterbore diameter. I'll advance that to a 5/16 end mill now. And go with the 300 thousandths depth. Alrighty. That should work just fine. Beautiful. Alright. I'll advance the table this way now to get the second mounting hole drilled. And that will be from here to here now, 610 thousandths. There's 610 thousandths on the y-axis. Now, whenever I go to machine this here part of the block down here, I got to machine it down about 195 to 200 thousandths of an inch in depth, and then I can put my rotary table work through here. But this here can come down lower now, so I can come down flush on here. So while I have this set up in my milling machine nice and tight here, I might as well just go ahead and while I have this race set up on center here for these two mounting holes, I might just go ahead and take this down from the top here down about 200 thousandths of an inch with an end mill and get that down to depth right there first. I'll set the 200 thousandths, 100, 200, set my depth stop, bring it back up, take about 10 thousandths. 40 thousandths in cut now. Now it's time to start getting set up here for the rotary table work. There's my mounting holes right there. Rotary table center, and guide bar center. So everything's now ready to be fastened to the rotary table fixture plate. Put that to my rotary table. I still need one more cut to do. I'll do a rough cut here, around 1.711 inches I need. I'll do a rough cut here to get it to cut the length this way on my bandsaw, and then I'll take it on my milling machine, and then I'll machine that to the proper height it needs to be, and then I'll be ready for the rotary table. Okay, here's the bandsaw. Okay, it's close enough. Within 4 thousandths, not bad. Work with that. Okay, next is rotary table work now.